Hello everyone, for those who don't know me, I'm Kings Ferdinand, 3D artist and game developer. So today I wanted to add a new skill in my skills, right? Which is C++. So the thing will be, I'm creating a new playlist called Learn C++ with me. We will learn together from beginning to advanced topics. We're going to talk about variables, function, memory, classes, pointers, templates, STL, smart pointers, and everything we need to learn for us to be able to create Windows applications or maybe cross-platform application. Then after those 100 videos, we will jump into C++ for Unreal. But before that, we will touch only C++ vanilla, which means only console applications. And after that, we will maybe want to make some IM GUI, open source game tools and everything. So follow me, we're going to do it together. The next video will be choose your IDE. For us, we're going to use a free one, which is I can say the best, but not the best. Okay, but it's among the best. It is Visual Studio. It's free. It's got everything we need, compilers, interlicense and everything. So see you in the next video. Ciao.